Alam mo bang tayong mga researcher, we use literature review in various stages and aspects of the research process. That is why literature review is an essential or important component of any research project. Tara na, join me and engage with me in this video. Hello ka-researcher! Welcome to our channel. Yes, to our channel. Kasi dito sa Ana PH, kasali ka. In fact, kaya nga tayo may YouTube channel na ganito dahil sa'yo. Ana PH is an educational channel that focuses on providing content designed to educate, inform, and teach you about research. Dito, we typically make or produce videos that explain concepts, demonstrate techniques and steps, or present the information that you need about the field of research. And yes, today, let's talk about literature review. What it is, where do we use this, and how do we review the bodies of literature. All this and some bonus tips right now. And first, let's have the definition of literature review. But before that, I want you to identify the words that are related, connected, or are included in the definition of literature review, which I am going to share with you in a little while. So, here are our words. Alin dyan yung connected or included sa definition ng literature review? Pili na. The researcher, if your answer is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, you are correct. All of these words are related to the definition or concept of literature review. Good job! A literature review involves collecting, identifying, and summarizing existing research and writings related to a specific topic. This includes research studies, as well as conceptual articles that offer frameworks and perspectives for understanding the topic. Ka-researcher, tandaan, ang literature review is a comprehensive summary and analysis of the existing research, theories, and academic or scholarly articles related to your topic or about your research questions. At ngayon, saan nga ba ginagamit ang task na ito na reviewing the literature? Ka-researcher, please type your answer in the comment section. Yes, ngayon na. Titignan ko yan. Researcher, thank you for your answers. Now, gaya ng sabi natin kanina, ang task na ito ng literature review ay ginagamit natin sa iba't ibang aspekto at iba't ibang stages ng ating research process. And these include the following. A researcher incorporates a literature review at multiple stages and in various aspects of the research process, including the following: research proposal, introduction section of a research paper or thesis, development of research questions and hypotheses, methodology section, and sa discussion and conclusion sections. So, nakita mo yon ka-researcher, halos sa lahat ng parts at sa buong proseso ng research natin ay present ang task na ito. Kaya naman, dapat meron tayo ng skill na ito. And at this point, alamin natin, ano ba ang mga steps na kailangan i-consider sa literature review? Paano ba ginagawa ang task na ito? In practice, a literature review typically centers on the following major steps. 1. searching for relevant literature. These include using databases, journals, books, and other academic sources. Second, organizing the literature. You can arrange this by themes, trends, or in chronological order. And third, writing the review, which includes summarizing the key points, analyzing the contributions and limitations of the existing research, and discussing how it relates to your study. Idagdag ko lang, as according to Creswell, you may critique the previous literature, highlighting any shortcomings or issues you found from them. At dagdag ko lang uli, yes, sabi ko sa inyo, marami tayong bonus eh. So, as you find useful literature, start creating a literature map. Yes, a literature map. A literature map is a visual representation that groups the literature on your topic and shows how your study will fit into and add to the existing research. Ka-researcher, don't worry, tuturuan kitang gumawa ng literature map sa susunod nating video. So, ayan, yung mga dapat mong malaman patungkol sa literature review. By the way, ka-schooler, ka-researcher, meron tayong isa ng video na nandito sa Ana PH na comprehensive discussion ng RRLS or Reviewing Related Literature and Studies. So, eto yan. So, dito sa video na to, tinalakay natin fully yung kung paano ba ginagawa ang reviewing literature and studies as well as kung paano na siya ipuput into writing. So, I suggest, panoorin nyo yung video na to para talagang makumpleto yung knowledge nyo and skill nyo sa task na ito na reviewing the literature. Now, balitaan mo naman ako kung saan ka na stage or sa anong proseso mo na ginagamit ang reviewing the literature. All you have to do is to message me. I-comment mo po sa ating comment section yung mensahe mo or yung sagot mo kay Ma'am Ann. Okay? So, there you have it. Thank you, ka-schooler, ka-researcher, for being with me. I will see you in our next video. By the way, please like and share this video. Bye. Thank you.